Okay, so the first thing that I take is my NYX retractable lip liner in Natural, and I start by overlining the center part of my lips, including the Cupid's bow, and then I carry on the line down to my natural lip line. So for the bottom lip, to help keep it looking natural, you want to stay very close to your natural lip line at the sides and just overlining the middle part of the bottom lip. So now I am applying my NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Baby Doll, and this is going to dry down to be matte, which is much easier when you overline your lips because it stops you from being able to see the line between your natural lip and your skin. Now for this next part you can use any concealer. I'm using Collection Lasting Perfection. This is basically just adding some depth to your lips. All you need to do is pat it in and it will make your lip look lighter in the centre, which will give the effect of having bigger lips. After I've added the concealer, I always go back in with my same lip liner just to darken the edges of my lips so that you can see that there is a lighter colour in the centre and it gets darker from the outside. So the final step is adding some lip gloss, and this is the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline, and I really love this nude lip combination. It looks really nice, and the gloss just gives you a nice shiny finish. It makes it look like you're not really overlining your lips. Okay, so that is how I overline my lips. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.